cry. Back to life now, sis. Back to reality. It was a beautiful week and we enjoyed it. Now we're heading home. We had a beautiful week stay here at the Wyndham Trent Manor in Cornwall, celebrating my birthday. It was beautiful. Now we say bye-bye. Come on, sis, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm crying. I'm crying. Here comes the bride. Here comes the bride. Here comes the bride. Here comes the bride. All dressed in peach, black and plaid. Here comes the bride. Here comes the bride. Let me find one option. Then you make me take off me. You may now kiss your husband. You may now kiss your husband. Let me take off the. And there's a little rascal up there. Don't run. Give them a run, sis. Give them a run. Come now, sis. Give them a run. Give them a run, sis. No, sir. The lady of the manor. She's got 10,000 woodland around her. It's got 10,000 acres of woodland around her. The lady of the manor. She's got 10,000 acres of woodland all around her. Yeah, let me show you our manor. You hear? There's our manor. Oh, can you see our manor? Look at all the woodland that is around her. And the bride and the groom. Oh, right. Look how like going to stop the madness, mad people. And it's two of them are all on box and they're proper. Hey, come on, no, take it forward. Take it forward at the end now. Come on, come at the end. Come up here. Come, take it forward at the end. Come, Greg, come back here now. Come before. Invited. Come. I do that's right round. Is that a river down? Is that a river down there? The lady of our manor. The lady of the manor. She's walking her manor. But yeah, it's a beautiful couple of days here in Trenton Manor. It's amazing here. You can hear the birds. The sun is shining. The breeze is just going by. I'm enjoying nature and life, celebrating myself. Thank you, Jesus. I love you. Thank you for loving me. The next lady of the manor. Oh yeah, Highland Sisterz is here in Trenton Manor, Cornwall. We're just celebrating life. And listening to the birds. I know, right? There's so many birds. It's beautiful down here. Let's look at the grounds. Look at the grounds here. Wow. It's gorgeous here. I'm sitting on my manor. Sitting on your manor. She's sitting on her manor. Oh Lord, but yeah, it's beautiful here. We're having a fabulous time here. It's gorgeous. And we're getting some beautiful sunshine too. It's a manor, not an empire. It's a manor. Wow, listen to that on our manor. I know, just listen to the sounds of the birds. It's just the most beautiful thing. They're all in this tree here. They're having fun. They're black crows. They're crows, right? I've never seen so many crows. I know. This tree is fully loaded. Crows and all manner. Yeah, it's been amazing. And me, because it's my birthday weekend in Cornwall. It's and my birthday weekend in Cornwall. Goodbye, Lodge. We're going back home. Thank you, Wyndham Trenton Manor. You were good to us. We had an amazing week. And see even white roses down here. This is where we should have come and pick roses. There's red, white, pink. Oh, we didn't notice these. They were beautiful. You want to walk?
Turn right onto Castle Door Road.
You want to walk out here?